Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the battery on a Dyson stick vacuum. If you have no power to the vacuum and the charger has been checked, then it is likely that the battery has failed and it will need to be replaced. Always work safely. Disconnect the appliance before you start the repair. I'm going to start by removing the wand by pressing the button here. Next, I need to remove the bin. To do that, just push down on the red catch to open the bin and then push down again to release. Then I need to remove this tiny screw in here using a Phillips head screwdriver. And the second screw is located here, so you can see why we had to take the bin off. And with the screw removed, you can then lift out the old battery and then replace it with the new one. You can then replace the screws. It's worth pointing out that the new battery does come with a set of new screws. And then refit the one in the handle. When replacing the bin, it's worth pointing out that this tab needs to go underneath the front rim of the bin. Once you've got your wand back in, give your Dyson a little test to see if it's working. And there we have it. How to replace a battery on a Dyson stick vacuum. Please give this video a thumbs up if we've helped you and subscribe for more handy how-to videos. Find all the spares and accessories you will ever need on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.